Well, hello. Today is about YouTube. Yes, YouTube. How do you promote your YouTube channel? There's many ways, but today I'm going to give you just 5 of them, to start promoting your YouTube channel and grow your followers, viewers, subscribers, and likers. Anyway, the first thing you want to do is to write an engaging title, a must-see title. When someone gets into your channel, they would like to think, like, what is this about? You want to get them that excitement that they need it. They need it. And so they have to watch it. So that is one way of growing your YouTube channel. And the next one is to engage your YouTube community. If you have a community, let them know ahead of time. If you already plan ahead, then you're gonna plan ahead and let them know ahead. That way they can prepare for the time. They can set a time aside for that upload you're going to do, or if you're doing live, then you if you let them know, then they can set a time for that. If they can't, then they just have to watch the replay. But if you don't have a replay, or you don't uh well, actually you can. What am I talking about? No, of course, replay is always available 24/7 once you have uploaded it. Let's say you want to do it live, then they want to be right there during the live, then if you let them know ahead of time, they would be there if it's something they want. So the next thing is to, to know what they want. What is your community want to learn, to know, to hear? You know, you want to know them. And for you to be able to know what they want is to engage them. You got to engage them and keep an eye on every engagement you have. So that way you will know exactly what they want. And if you don't know yet, it's okay. It will show up in time. You just have to keep going live if you want to go live, or just keep doing videos. Just like what I'm doing right now. I'm doing this, another edition, another upload, and you will see how people will start uh, liking, commenting, sharing, or even create something in response to what you're saying. And some people do that. I have not done that, but I have seen some YouTube videos that this is a response to so and so, and it's actually a good way to engage. So if you're looking for, engagement and more followers, this is one way, if I may say that, if you react to somebody's video. Yes. And so another thing is to also customize okay, the fourth one is to, okay, I'm showing my finger. I have a little cut. Um, the fourth one is to customize your thumbnails. I cannot stress this enough that customizing your thumbnails help you stand out, you know, because you have a way, like a method that you use. It's somewhat the same. If you're creating your thumbnail, then it's gonna look, there is that um, similarity, I would say, for all the thumbnails you're gonna create for each video. And I'm doing my thumbnail and I like the way it looks. And, I just keep doing the same thing. And the last thing for you to promote your YouTube channel. This is big. And I think, and I believe I believe a lot of people likes this because it's fun, is to start a contest or, like a giveaway. These are things that people or viewers or users in YouTube users like to see or hear, something free. I like free. I mean, who doesn't like free? If it's free, yes, of course. Or if you have something you want to share with that you think people would be benefit from it, then go do a contest, something. Let's say if you have a tangible product or item or your product, something like that, you can actually use that to promote your business, your YouTube channel. I know your YouTube channel is like a business, right? Because why are we here is because we want to gain followers, grow our followers, and monetize our YouTube channel and all that. So, yeah, if you have a product, then go ahead and create a contest. So, let's talk about engage. Engaging is to create a title that engages, number one. And then you got to figure out what your audience want, what they really want to see or watch in your channel, and engage your community. And then fourth one is to customize your thumbnails. Customize your thumbnails. And number 5 is to do a contest. I did that too. And it's even for a small group, there's at least one or two that would be interested to join because it's free. And it's fun. It's either free or it's fun. That's two things that people like. And so that's it for today about YouTube challenge to get you to 1,000 subscribers. Do the following and keep going. And I wish you luck. And if you like this video, like us, comment, subscribe. I'm growing my subscription too. I'm growing my followers too on YouTube channel because I started this new channel. So we'll see you again next. Bye for now.